Today I want to show you how you can work with the scanning mode inside of your WeWeb mobile application using the Despia plugin. Now, why do you need scanning mode? Let's say you're building a ticket app and people are scanning QR codes. If their brightness is at 20%, the scanner will probably have a harder time scanning the QR code. So we can actually run an action that will increase the screen brightness when you show a QR code. You can set it to auto or on and off. So let's take a look at how we can set this up. It's very cool. So inside of our application, we first need to make sure that we have the Despia plugin installed inside of WeWeb. You can get it for free on the WeWeb marketplace. To make sure if you already have it installed, go to Assets, Library, click on the book, and you will now see that you should have the Despia plugin installed. If not, you can go to the marketplace, look for Despia, and get it from there. Let's close that and let's set up the functionality. First of all, we need to add an element to the page. We're going to go to Assets and we are going to get the Despia native from the Despia provider element, the Despia plugin, and we're going to make sure it's on the top of the page. It could be a new page or an existing page. Now let's add some buttons to the page. As you can see, I can add a button here, make sure it's still the first element on the page. And now we're going to have a button to turn it on, right? So I'm going to go to that button. I'm going to add a workflow to that button. And that workflow here will just be execute component action. I'm going to select the Despia plugin component. And then I am going to look for set scanning mode, right? And the scanning mode is what will allow us to increase the brightness for scanning purposes. Pretty cool. So in here, the mode will be on because that will turn it on, right? So on will be on. Okay, and this will turn it on. And then we can add another button. So we can just duplicate this button here and that button will be off. So then you can turn it off. So you could have a pop-up that will show a QR code. If the pop-up is open, you run on. If the user closes the pop-up, you just run off to revert back to their initial screen brightness. And then we're going to go inside of here on the off one and we're going to turn on into off. And then if you don't want to worry about is the lighting correct or whatever, you can also set it to auto, meaning it will only increase the brightness if it's like a very bright environment and it needs some extra power for scanning, but it won't necessarily increase it if you're like in a completely dark room and someone is trying to scan it because it's already, kind of like working that way. So you can also, have it be auto. So let's duplicate that and let's make that auto, meaning it will automatically at some point turn off and it will only turn on if the device sensors think that it makes sense to turn it on. So you can also set this to auto. You could also make this dynamic and get it from a variable or get it from a formula as well. But let's just make this auto here and hard code that. Now, this is one of the features that I sadly won't be able to show you in the video because it doesn't adapt the screen brightness when I mirror my screen on this computer here. But I just want to show you how nice it is though to get it published, because adding this feature to an existing application that's already published, is already built, is super simple. You only have to deploy it and publish it in WeWeb. You do not have to rebuild it in Despia. You do not have to wait for App Store approval. You don't have to do any of that. You just publish it inside of WeWeb and this will adjust your live application using updates over the air. You don't have to wait for anybody at Apple or Google to approve that change. And it's fully compliant. That's the beautiful thing about it. So if you open the application, you will see that the buttons have been added and all users will have the same thing. So I can do on, off, auto. Now you won't see how it will change the brightness, but it will be changing the brightness and you can try that out for yourself in your application. And that's how you can add scanning mode inside of your WeWeb mobile application using the Despia plugin. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.